Hi there. If you're here, it's probably because you're looking for a link to one of the products that I've either reviewed here or promoted on YouTube. So if that's what you're looking for, go down to the description or the comments below and you can find those links there. Also, because shorts do not allow linking, this is typically where you might find a link for a product that a content creator is promoting. So definitely check their longer horizontal videos, their bio, things like that if you are looking for a product of theirs that they're featuring and you want to get it for yourself. With that said, I am going to be talking about a couple other things because this video has to be a little bit longer in order for it to qualify as a horizontal video on YouTube. So what I am going to be talking about today is myself, kind of. What I'm doing here on YouTube, why, and for how long I've been doing it, etc. Just to give you guys a little bit of a backstory on me. Okay, so my name is Sandy. I am a corporate flight attendant in Houston, Texas. I manage 2 aircrafts and I am the lead flight attendant on those. And it is so much fun. I get to travel and meet really interesting people and go like all over the world, which is so much fun. I'm like a little hustler though. Like I always have like a little side job too. So I have a little side job doing organization, design work, primarily like holiday stuff, which is a whole lot of fun too. So you'll probably be seeing some content about that as well. But I'm here on YouTube really because I'm promoting my Amazon influencer and Amazon associate programs that I'm part of, which is basically reviewing products and posting about them online. So where you guys can find them, I can share what I really love, what I don't love, alternatives for those items, things like that. So I've been in both of those programs now for a few months and they're very different. The affiliate program is a program that if you have a platform on a social media, a large platform is even better because you're basically you're doing affiliate links to products that you love and you make a commission off of those. You can work with brands in order to do that. There is a program within Amazon as well called Creator Connections that connects you with brands when they have campaigns going on. So that's Amazon Associates. Then you have Amazon Influencer, which is a completely different program within Amazon that is based off of your social media platforms and how much interaction you get with them, etc. But this is a program where you're only doing review videos on Amazon. So basically you take a product, you review it, you tell what you love and you don't love about it. You might give a demonstration, you might do an unboxing, something of that nature. And that video, Amazon can choose to put it on that product's page. So if a consumer goes to that product page and wants to know more information about that product and they watch your video and then end up purchasing that product, you make a commission off of it just by creating a review video. It sounds so simple, okay? But right now, it is phenomenal. It's a great way to make money. Right now, it is oversaturated with people doing this. Like people just getting into the program easy peasy, not doing any research beforehand, not knowing what they're supposed to be doing at all, not knowing how to link things, not knowing about deep links. There's so much, not having a platform really at all to share this with. And they're on Reddit forums, Facebook forums, trying to figure it all out. And it's hard. And then you've got all the scammers out there that are trying to sell you a program to teach you how to make $10,000 a month on Amazon Influencer, and it's a load of crap. So if you see those people, I mean, you'd have to be making so many videos of extremely high-priced items and manipulating the algorithm almost in order to be making that much money, especially now with how many people are in this program. So, is it worth it? That's subjective. I don't know if you already have stuff laying around your house and it's not going to cost you anything to make the videos besides your time making the video, editing, posting, linking, things like that. I don't know. That's subjective. It's up to you. What do people typically make? I don't know. Sometimes they make nothing a day. Sometimes I make $15, $20 a day. I am not overly posting videos because I have a full-time job and I'm doing it at my leisure in order to just make some extra money that goes towards achieving some financial freedom for me. But it has been a fun program, and there is a lot of potential if you learn how to, I don't want to say manipulate it, but if you learn how to make it work for you, if you do your product research, if you have good quality videos, if brands see that and want to work with you, and you're potentially getting sample items at no cost in exchange for shoppable videos. So there's like so many different things that go into this, and you just have to be really smart about it. Like it's so easy to waste your time with this program, but if you take your time, do the research, and don't just like jump in head first, not knowing what you're doing, yeah, there's a lot of potential there. Is it time consuming? Absolutely. Is it stressful sometimes? Yes. Does it suck when you see people had returns? Yes, because you get a negative in your little consolidate or your summary. So overall, I want to come on here and talk about this a bit more because I am also on YouTube searching and trying to find out as much about this program as possible and all the different platforms that it works with in order to maximize the profit that I can make off of this. So I'm hoping to make more videos like this with full transparency as much as I can, as much information as I can provide, because that is one thing Amazon is kind of funny about terms of service and what you can show and what you can share. So I'm going to try to do that as much as I can, and I hope that it helps some of you guys, because in Reddit forums and Facebook groups and stuff like that, I see so many people who are like, I got accepted into the program, now what do I do? Like, haven't done a lick of research. Do your research first. If you get into the program and you are not making sales within that first 180 days, Amazon can kick you out. They can kick you out for any reason. If you link something wrong, if you don't disclose that you're getting a commission from these items, if you link to the wrong platform, if you link, to a website on accident, you can get kicked out. They will so fast. So do your research. That's what I'm here to say. And I hope this helps. If anybody has questions, please leave them in the comments. I know this was long-winded, but there's a lot of stuff I've been wanting to say about this program and just talk about it, because I don't know anybody else in my real life who's actually part of this program. Like, I've met some friends online and stuff, and we chat a little bit, but it's confusing. And I want to help people too, because I was there at one point trying to figure it. Actually, I do know one person, my friend Marwa. She's the one that told me about this, but she's kind of like me with a full-time job, and she doesn't have a lot of time to make a bunch of videos. But overall, like, shout out to Marwa. Sorry that I forgot you were in the program. Overall, I'm hoping to make more videos like this to help other people, and I am sorry if this is long-winded. I'm not going to edit this video at all. I'm just like having word vomit for the first time, but I don't care. The next ones will be more polished, okay? So I hope you'll follow along. If you got to this point, I am freaking impressed, okay? Because I'm just over here yapping. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna post little tips and tricks about the program that I've figured out so far. I try to help as many people in the Facebook and Reddit groups as I can, just based off of my knowledge so far. So I will do that here too. If you guys want to see more of that, let me know. Have a good day.